Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Gem0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package right here is coming from Sneakerpolitics. So let's crack this open right here. You know, all the other websites that I tried to grab it from, they all sold out. But Sneakerpolitics actually tweeted it, and I was able to grab it from their website. So let's crack it open right here. So you got the bubble wrap. You got the Nike box right here. Red box. And these are the Nike React Element 87. These are size 10. Suggested retail is $160. And the colorway is Wolf Gray Black Thunder Blue. Right there, as you can see. You got your Sneakerpolitics right here. That's the white paper. And here they are. This is the first model that I've been able to grab for these. So, because everything else always usually sells out. So this is my first-hand look at this shoe, this Nike React Element 87. So you can see you have the Nike React at the bottom. Then you got this orange, you know, bottom as well. Then you got the, you know, see-through upper right here. And I'm not even really sure how to describe the feel of this upper right here. Then you got the Nike swoosh right there. So you can say that these are like, you know, either like Knicks colorway, you know, or, you know, you can even say probably like the Oklahoma City Thunder. But probably closer to the Knicks colorway right here. Again, you do have, as far as on the tongue, it says Nike React on it. On the top of the shoelaces, you have the Nike swoosh. And what is this other piece right here? I guess that's like a Nike React symbol, I guess, but because it looks like a tree, pretty much. You got the Nike swoosh right there in the pull tab, in the back, in the heel. Got the orange pull tab right there. And then you do have the cork insert as far as there. You got the Nike swoosh as well. So I'm just wondering how durable this cork's gonna be over time. But yeah, here's just the other pair right here. Again, pretty dope concept, my opinion. But again, yeah, this is my first pair, since anytime I always tried to grab a pair before, they always sold out. But again, got this from Sneakerpolitics. If you have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Ray YouTube. Peace out.